So far, so good. Just shelled the shrimp, working on the garlic. We have all the ingredients. I can't remember if this is parsley or not, because Sonia also bought something that looks like parsley. I can't remember what it's called at the moment, but we're working on it. We're getting there. I don't know when Sonia's supposed to be back, so this may be done before she gets back. Or it'll be done right on time. Cross fingers, that's how it happens. Here we go. We don't have a slap chop or one of those things that you can just like mince really quick, and it needs to be minced garlic, so... Mince. Mince, damn it. Will you mince? I will turn you into dust. Just freaking mince, man. Maybe if I go the other way. Chop, 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 chop. Ah! Everything's cooking already. Yikes, 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 yikes. Stress, 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 stress. Thank you. It's fine, it's fine. Thank you. Sonia's not home yet, so we eat alone. I'm ready. Oh, I'm so ready. Okay. Just as an update, back from Colorado. I don't think I said that in my other videos. So back in Chicago, because I was lost in Chicago yesterday. And biggest goals this week: S for scheduling, A for action. I need to get back into some auditions and acting. Game less. I've succeeded in that one. Since I've been working so much, I haven't been able to touch the games, which is super helpful for me, I think. I have to go to bed super early too. Unfortunately, old Bessie's got the check engine light, so I need to put her in the shop, which I don't know if that'll affect goals later on or not. Let's hope it doesn't. I think that's about it. I want to start finding some volunteer stuff, hopefully this coming month in December. And I don't think it should be that hard, but there's like a volunteer.com that I can join. So with that, and a bite of la shrimp scampi, love you for being you. Oh.